think we could have something good. Need to be quick here to get this because the tide is coming in. Unexpected find. What a beauty, my first best find off the beach. So, hello and welcome to, I know it's a sunny day considering the last 2 days we've had. It was really warm the last 2 days, so I decided I'll go to the beach today, but it's a bit overcast, but still the beach is empty. I'm going to head right down to the tide, right down here, and we'll see what we can find. Bye for now. So, just in this hole here, unexpected find, a nice billet. Just came out of that hole there, a blank billet. No idea how old. Maybe somebody will know. I'll put a picture up of the stamp at the end. So, this is the settings I've got. CS4PI. I've been told these are the best settings so far, and it's paying off, I think, because the signals we're getting are pretty deep. But we've got something here, we'll see what it is. That was interesting getting that bullet, I wasn't expecting that. Oh, and hopefully I'm in the heavy area. Only in the beach we have an Allen key. A wee Allen key. Pretty cool. So we're on to the heavy stuff, so I'll keep walking along this bank and see what else I can find. And something else in the hole. Or should I say out the hole. It was pretty far down again. I think this is my deepest one yet. There we have it right there. No danger, man. Another bullet. Oh no, that one looks live. 2 seconds. So I've got another bullet, and that one possibly looks live. Don't point it towards my face. These actually look, I don't know what age these bullets are, but that could be live. I'll wash it in the water. That maybe not, I think it's been fired, but it's definitely alive. Yep, it's been fired. There's the firing pin there, if I can focus. I'll put a picture of the stamp up later on. That's the second bullet. Pretty cool. I'll keep walking along here. Maybe find some coins or some jewellery or something interesting. So, bye for now. Oh, you're never going to believe it. A signal right in beside it. First hole. And there's the second hole, and we have another bullet, another blank. But it's funny because these bullets could be from the 1940s, which is pretty cool, but I'm surprised they've not been dug already, because this beach does get done a lot for detectorists. There's been a lot of gold rings and that found off of here in summers and stuff. But yep, there we go, another bullet. This is the old harbour. Been here for a while, but this place is actual medieval. Goes right back to 15th, 14th, right back this place goes. Over there you've got the Carrick Hills. William Wallace used to hide up there. One of his hiding spots. And this place behind me, everybody used to come to Ayr to trade back in the day. Up in those fields behind that park, there is bound to be hammered coins and all sorts of medieval stuff under all the modern day trash. But let's get back to it. So far on this beach, nice long sandy beach, not a rock in sight. That is really good compared to the last time I was out in the rocks and it was detecting the rocks. I'll put some of that footage in just now just to show you how bad. I really don't know what's happening. I seem to be picking up these rocks. There's the first one, there's the second one. I think we'll call it rock detecting. But I was nearly ready for sending it back because it was annoying me that much. but I did think it would come on to its best on these kind of beaches, but definitely not the rocky ones, because you need a bit of discrimination for them. But there's something in here. Is it going to be another bullet? Oh, it looks like a Ben special. We might need to hammer time this one. Something in there. Shout out to Ben, a giant garnet detectorist. So, I've just dug something out. So's mine. It could be something silly, or it could be something good. Oh, I think we could have something good. It's a wee pendant, I think. It is. 2 minutes to give it a clean, and I'll come back to you and put it in the macro with this camera.
Nice.
Oh, we have a wee silver pendant. What a beauty, my first best find off the beach. Whether it's silver, I don't know. I'll be able to tell better when I get in. Sorry for my machine noise, but that is definitely something religious and hopefully silver. I'll get some pictures of that in the roundup and I'll show you then. What a beauty. Bye for now. Need to be quick here to get this because the tide is coming in. Oh, a big bit of plate, I think. Yep, a big bit of tin. And something else in the hole. Oh, don't you just love it when you have a beach to yourself? This is my kind of beach detecting. I'm not one of these ones that like really busy. But there's something in here somewhere. Come out of that hole pretty deep down, as you can see. This detector's surprising me. Although the first time I was out, I had an absolute rough time with it. Rough wasn't the word. But on big long sandy beaches like this, I think this machine's going to come into its own. Oh, whatever it is, it's on the point at. Just a rusty nail, so we're getting onto light again, so I'll move on again. Try and find some heavier stuff. 23 in the knots.
22, 23 in the knots.
My friend just picks up a £1 coin. There we go, a £1 coin. So there we go, a wee £1 coin. So, something in here. Somewhere. Yep, looks to be something I'm going to need to smash out by the looks of it. It's in here somewhere. In here somewhere. Oh. And look at that, what do we have? Surprise, surprise! Another bullet. No danger. That's pretty funny. Another bullet. So that concludes Ayr Beach. Pretty productive actually. And I'm pretty impressed with that machine on these kind of beaches. What else did I get? I got some 5p, some 2p and some 1p at the end, as I changed from this one to the one before, the cut. The cut was very good for 2p in the first one there, and the second one there was a my friend got £1 as well, which is always enough for a bag of chips at the end of the day. And also whatever that wee silver thing was, definitely some sort of religious pendant thing, but we'll go for now. I'm going to put up the drone and give you a view of the low green and these big towers over here. This is from back in Victorian days, and behind it is the courthouse as well. The park, I can remember this park as I was a young boy as well. One of the best parks about. And over in the distance there is the Noor Castle. You've seen me over there before as well. Pretty cool. So bye for now. Thanks for watching. I appreciate every one of you and all your support. Thanks for being with me and not producing videos recently, but I've not been getting the fines and my phone's breaking and stuff, so hopefully this footage is okay. So I'll go for now and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.